Hello, this is Steve from Beto's Leatherworks. Today's project is this beautiful pair of Polo shoes that's seen its better days. Now the uppers were pretty much damaged to a point where people said it can't be repaired. Well, that's until I got a hold of them. Filled in the cracks, sanded and dyed them as best as I could, and made them presentable. Are they brand new? No, they're not brand new, but they're much better than what they were. Now the customer can wear them without getting embarrassed having cracked shoes. Now once the JR soles got put on and the French tips, they turned out to be a pretty good pair of shoes. I think the customer will have them for many years to come. Well, I hope you enjoyed this video. Unfortunately, I didn't have time to show you everything on this one, but next one I promise I will. Alright, thanks for watching my videos, and a few comments and sharing would be greatly appreciated. Take care.